What's up, my boys? What's up? What's up? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Quick update. I was working on the truck this morning. I'm actually going to get into the heavy-duty hardcore grinding, sanding, pulling, and doing some body filler in just a bit. And I was contemplating the color scheme of this thing, and I finally got it. I became clear. So we'll see how it turns out. But a lot of times, you're not going to know how the car comes out until you do it, or unless you drive it around and imagine and all that. Not really drive it around. I meant draw it out. Okay, so we're actually going to be doing a tri-tone paint job. And what I did was, I remember the other day I told you I was going to cut out these inserts, right? And I just did that. Okay, so they're all cut out, right? I just ordered mesh as well off eBay, a honeycomb mesh that we're going to put back here. We're going to remember to actually undercoat the back of this black because we don't want it to show as white or teal or whatever the back of the color is back here, right, through our mesh grill. We want it to look all black in the grill area. So I'm going to take this off because that's how it looks, right? Let me show you kind of what we did quickly. Here's some of the mess that we made. Okay, so basically, I just got my little jigsaw on the air, and like I said, I cut it out. Pretty easy, right? Let's look at the back. Okay, pretty easy. Now we're gonna just scuff it down, smoothing it out. Hey, we are back. Are you guys getting this? Let me know if you're still on. Let me know if you're still on. Because it's showing live. Refresh. Refresh. Are you guys getting me? I had a phone call come in and I had to take the phone call. It was super important. Let me know if you guys are getting this, guys. Give me some feedback. Refresh. Because we are live again. Anyway, I'm not gonna wait. I'm just gonna finish off the video because it should upload. All right, you good now? All right, like I said, I had to take that phone call. It was on my phone. I had to take it. Sending a wire out, and I needed to approve it. Anyway, so here's what I did. I got my air jigsaw here. Yeah, exactly. Before you unsubscribe, click right over here to get the free auto body manual. Hi, I'm Japanese and watching this in Oklahoma. Wow, konnichiwa. Atashi mo nihongo shaberimasu yo. I should do these shows in Japanese. So we cut everything out. Okay, and it's looking good. Now, like I said, before we got cut off, we got to get a little bit of 150 grit or so and feather out the edges, make it look good, right? Okay. And that's how it looks. It's opened up now. Yeah, this is not a Ferrari body kit or a BMW body kit, right? But we're doing a little custom touch here and there to make it look a little cool, right? Why not? Okay. All right, guys. So I was thinking about the paint color scheme, and we're going to do a tritone on this thing. We're going to do silver, teal, and white. Silver, teal, and white. All right, so I changed it up. I was going to do just the teal and white, but I figured the silver would look cool. So here's what we're going to do. A lot of people got off the live stream because I guess they thought it died out. But anyway, here's the overall idea. And you need to really imagine paint jobs in your head sometimes. Or you could draw them out like I did in my other videos. I show you how to take a picture of your vehicle, then you could draw on a piece of paper how you want the color scheme to look. But anyway, just imagine the front bumper cover silver, right? The lens housing silver. Okay, so this is going to be silver like this. Right? Come down here. What line is it? Okay. Below this line, if we look out, we're going to do silver on the bottom of the truck, all the way across the back. All right? So that means all of this is going to be silver. This little bar down here is going to be silver with the hinges. Okay, my little mud guards here, my fenders here will be silver. We're going to come across the back. All this bottom part will be silver. All right, this is going to be white. Okay, the only thing that's going to be teal is in here. We're going to have a teal line going across the back. So this is going to be white, and then the top of the bed is going to be white all the way around. Okay, so that's the color scheme. And it's going to end here. Then we're going to have teal from here to here. And this is why I think straight lines are going to look the best, because this truck is very boxy. So straight cut lines with different tones I think will look really nice. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to have a teal in here. Teal in here. So silver, teal, and then the top is going to be a pearl white. We're going to do a nice pearl white with Moondust Pearl from X Finishes. In here, where it's teal, we're actually going to be able to put vinyl stickers on it. So if I want to put a domain name or whatever I'm doing, right, I could put that in the teal, or in the teal going along the side of the truck. Okay, so that's pretty much how it's going to look. I decided on that today. I think that's going to look really nice. So just wanted to give you a quick update on that. I'm actually going to put my mask on and get dirty in a little while. I got to actually go to my daughter's school for a second first before I do that. But I just wanted to show you quickly what was going on, that I cut out the bumper cover here. You know, and we're all, like I said, you want to make sure to paint in back of those areas black if you do this. And awesome. So I just flipped the car. That's awesome. Going on a cruise. Where are you guys going? Cruises are awesome, by the way. I love cruises. Just sometimes you got to be careful you don't get sick. A lot of people get sick on those things. Anyway, it's Tony here. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Catalina, sweet. Hit the like button before you head out. And I will, tomorrow night, we will be on live stream tomorrow night, 8 p.m. Central. And you're going to see this thing body worked up. You're going to see filler all over the place, sanded, pretty much sanded down. I got my neighbor's kid, my neighbor here. What's up, Genesis VIP Idaho? What's going on, buddy? So my neighbor, 15-year-old kid, right? He's into this stuff. So I think he wants to like work with me on the shop. So I'll probably have him this weekend. If he does come over, then we'll do a YouTube live. I'll introduce you to my buddy over here. And cool kid, by the way, 15 years old, ambitious. He's going to be 16 soon. And LABAP VIP Las Vegas. Vegas is cool, man. And I'm going to teach him how to sand the truck down. I'm going to teach him some basics of body work, because I think he wants to. My future plan to import those made trucks to U.S. and these trucks running everywhere in Japan. What is your name, Japanese guy? What is your name? I'm half Japanese, you know. I have very strong ties to Japan. I love Japan. I go every year. I spend a couple of months in Japan every single year. And I speak fluent Japanese. If some of you never knew that, now you do. My wife is Japanese. You know, my kids, 75% Japanese. My real name is Hiroki-san. Hajimemashite, Hiroki-san. I was just in Nihon a couple of months ago. So this is it. Daihatsu, sugoku kawaii omoshiroi Keitora desu. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Subscribe if you're a newbie. Click the button over here to get a free 85-page auto body and paint manual, or the link below to get more trainings and learn more about DIY auto body, so you can customize and paint anything you desire. It's Tony. I'll see you guys on tomorrow as we are dusty and sweaty and Bondo all over the place. My name is Richard. Call me Dick. Dick Tracy. All right. Laters, guys. Thanks for hopping on. I'll let you go about your business and talk to you soon. Have a great day. Cheers.